Chairman of Jamaica Promotion Corporation, JAMPRO, Senator Don Webby, says the entity expects an injection of over 11,000 jobs in the business process outsourcing BPO industry each year going forward. He's therefore urging the authorities to get more serious in training persons to take up the jobs. More in this report from TVJ's Dwayne Anderson.
The latest figures from the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin outlined that as of July 2018, youth unemployment had dropped 5.3% to 22.2% when compared to the same period last year. According to the chairman of the Jamaica Promotion Corporation, JAMPRO, Don Webby, a large chunk of those new jobs are in the business process outsourcing BPO sector. The entity foresees more growth. That's why its chairman wants the government to ensure the job market, particularly the youth, are trained and ready.
Our BPO industry, we now employ, as at September 2018, approximately 32,500. And in fact, and I mentioned it to Senator Reid, that one of the issues that we could have, Senator Reid, in the future, because this industry is growing so fast, that we have to ensure that we have the people that are properly trained to meet the demand. Because we are projecting at JAMPRO 11,000 new jobs a year in the BPO industry.
JAMPRO says it is also working with the World Bank to identify ways to make doing business in Jamaica easier. Currently, Jamaica is ranked 75 out of 190 countries, and the JAMPRO chairman says the group's aim is to be top 10 within a few years. The group said a national investment policy is also to come into effect in the early part of the first quarter in 2019. Among other things, this is to help monitor how stakeholders are spending their money in terms of investment. In the meantime, most sellers and buyers went into the festive season more optimistic than they've ever been. This according to the latest Business Consumer Survey.
There was a sustained level of confidence among both groups at an average of 150. Mr. President and colleagues, listen to this very carefully. This is the highest it has been since the indices was started in 2001. Business and consumers also expect that economic growth will continue with indices of 132 and 153 points.
Mr. Webby was speaking recently in the Senate. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.